I'm Julie O'Hara, and I live in the South Hills of Pittsburgh. I remodeled for two reasons, really: to give it a fresher look, but also for better functionality. This remodeling project involved taking down a wall that blocked the view of the kitchen immediately coming into the house, and so now it's opened up. It looks beautiful. You get to see out the windows on the other side, and it's light and airy. I'm really pleased. I found Pittsburgh's Best at the home remodeling show, and I talked to two other contractors there as well. And on following up, Pittsburgh's Best, Casey, was really quite impressive. I would recommend Pittsburgh's Best to friends who are remodeling. They babysat my dog and did a great job. And I was just very impressed right from the beginning that they were well coordinated and well organized.
Call 724-935-6000 for your free design consultation.